I see SCHD investors making three critical mistakes that are costing them $280,000 over 30 years. Mistake number one, buying SCHD in a taxable account when they should be using a Roth IRA. That mistake alone costs $47,000 in unnecessary taxes. Mistake number two, selling SCHD during market drops instead of buying more. That costs $124,000 in missed gains. Mistake number three, not reinvesting dividends during the accumulation phase. That costs $109,000 in compound growth. Today I'm breaking down all three mistakes, showing you the exact math on what they cost, and giving you the fix for each one. If you own SCHD or you're thinking about buying it, this video will save you a fortune. Here's what we're covering. First, the three mistakes in detail. What they are, why people make them, and the real dollar cost over 10, 20, and 30 years. Then, the fix for each mistake. Exactly what to do instead. Finally, how to audit your own SCHD position right now to see if you're making any of these mistakes and how to correct them immediately. Quick disclaimer. This is educational analysis of common SCHD investing mistakes, not financial or tax advice. I'm not a licensed financial advisor or tax professional. Your tax situation and investment strategy are unique. Always consult qualified tax and financial professionals before making investment or account decisions. Let me show you one of the biggest mistakes SCHD investors make. Buying SCHD in a taxable brokerage account before maxing out a Roth IRA. Here's why it matters. SCHD pays dividends, and in a taxable account, those dividends are taxed every year. If you own $100,000 worth of SCHD yielding around 3.6%, you could owe hundreds in taxes annually. Over decades, those taxes compound into tens of thousands of dollars lost. Now compare that to a Roth IRA. Inside a Roth, dividends grow tax-free, and qualified withdrawals in retirement are also tax-free. Over 30 years, the difference between taxable and tax-free compounding can be massive. Many people make this mistake simply because they don't understand how powerful tax-advantaged accounts are. Others think IRAs are complicated, when in reality they're one of the best wealth-building tools available. The fix is simple. Max out your Roth IRA first, then invest additional money into taxable accounts afterward. For 2026, the Roth IRA contribution limit is $7,000 if you're under 50 and $8,000 if you're over 50. If you already own SCHD in taxable accounts, don't panic. Just make future SCHD purchases inside your Roth IRA whenever possible. Here's the second massive mistake. Panic selling SCHD during market crashes. In 2020, SCHD dropped more than 30% during the COVID crash. Many investors panicked and sold near the bottom, locking in huge losses. Just a few months later, SCHD recovered. Those who held through the fear were fine. Those who sold missed the rebound completely. Let's say you had $100,000 invested before the crash. If you sold after a 33% drop, your investment fell to about $67,000. Even if you bought back later, your long-term returns would be dramatically smaller than simply holding through the downturn. Over time, panic selling can cost investors tens or even hundreds of thousands in missed gains. Why do people make this mistake? Fear. Watching your portfolio drop quickly is emotionally painful. News headlines get worse, recession fears rise, and investors feel like selling is safer. But in reality, selling during crashes often locks in losses permanently. The fix is simple. Focus on fundamentals, not price swings. SCHD is built around strong dividend-paying companies. Temporary price drops are normal. Long-term investors should pay attention to dividend strength and overall business quality, not short-term market fear. Historically, markets recover. Investors who stay disciplined and continue buying during downturns usually come out ahead. In fact, crashes often create the best buying opportunities. Create a rule for yourself now. Don't sell because of fear alone. Have a long-term plan and stick to it. Patience and emotional control are some of the biggest advantages an investor can have over decades. Here's the third mistake that quietly destroys long-term wealth: taking SCHD dividends as cash too early instead of reinvesting them. Imagine two investors starting with $50,000 in SCHD at age 35. Investor A reinvests every dividend for 30 years. By age 65, the portfolio grows to roughly $500,000. Investor B takes the dividends as cash and spends them. Over 30 years, they collect a large amount of cash, but their portfolio only grows to around half the size of Investor A's. The difference can exceed $100,000, and in some cases much more. That's the power of compounding. Reinvested dividends buy more shares, which generate more dividends, which buy even more shares. Over decades, that snowball becomes massive. Why do people make this mistake? Because dividend payments feel like free money. It's tempting to spend them on vacations, gadgets, or lifestyle upgrades. But during the accumulation phase, every dollar spent today can cost several dollars in future wealth. Now, there is a time to take dividends as income. If you're retired or financially independent and need the cash flow, that's perfectly reasonable. But if you're still working and building wealth, reinvesting is usually the smarter move. The easiest solution is turning on automatic dividend reinvestment, also called DRIP, in your brokerage account. Your dividends automatically buy more SCHD shares without you thinking about it. The rule is simple: if you don't need the income yet, reinvest it and let compounding do the heavy lifting. Let me show you how to quickly audit your SCHD strategy and avoid costly mistakes. Step 1. Check your account type. Log into your brokerage and see where you hold SCHD. If it's in a taxable account while you still have unused Roth IRA space, you may be missing major tax advantages. Prioritize maxing your Roth IRA first whenever possible. Step 2. Review your selling habits. Look back at your trade history. Did you sell during market crashes or big pullbacks? If fear caused you to sell, that's a warning sign. Long-term investing usually rewards patience, not emotional reactions. Step 3. Check dividend reinvestment. See whether a DRIP, automatic dividend reinvestment, is turned on. If you're still building wealth and don't need the income yet, reinvesting dividends can significantly increase long-term growth. Your action plan. Use tax-advantaged accounts when possible, avoid panic selling, and reinvest dividends during the accumulation phase. These simple changes may not feel exciting today, but over decades they can potentially save or generate hundreds of thousands of dollars through better compounding and smarter investing behavior. Here's what you need to remember. Mistake 1. Holding SCHD in taxable accounts before maxing a Roth IRA. Mistake 2. Panic selling during market crashes. Mistake 3. Not reinvesting dividends while building wealth. Over decades, these mistakes can potentially cost investors hundreds of thousands in lost growth and taxes. The fixes are simple. Use tax-advantaged accounts first, stay invested during downturns, and turn on dividend reinvestment while you're still accumulating shares. Your action plan. Check your account type, review your dividend settings, and look honestly at your investing behavior during market drops. Small decisions repeated consistently create massive long-term results. Avoiding these mistakes could completely change your financial future. Subscribe for more SCHD strategies and common mistake breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.